If you're struggling to find winning products for your Shopify store, you're probably spending way too much time on product research. Over the last few days, I've been testing PPSPY because a lot of people claim it's one of the best Shopify spy tools available. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what it does, what I like, where it has limitations, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's get started. But before you buy PPSPY, don't pay the regular price just yet. Stay with me because later in this video I'll show you how to access my exclusive working discount link that's available for my viewers. I'll also explain the pricing, compare the plans, and help you decide which one is the best value. So, what does PPSPY actually do? After installing the Chrome extension, you can visit Shopify stores and view useful insights like estimated sales activity, trending products, advertising data, and other valuable store information. Instead of guessing which products might work, you can study real market trends and make smarter business decisions based on data. One feature I really like is the store tracker. The standard plan allows you to track up to 30 stores, while the Pro plan increases that to 100 stores, making it a great option if you're managing multiple products or scaling your business. You can also export data, monitor competitors, and save hours of manual research every week. Now, no tool guarantees success. Your results still depend on choosing the right products, building a good store, and running effective marketing. But if you want to speed up your product research with reliable insights, PPSPY is definitely worth considering. The standard monthly plan starts at $39 per month, while the Pro plan is $99 per month. If you choose yearly billing, you'll save more compared to paying month by month. Now here's the good part. You don't necessarily have to pay the standard listed price. I've secured an exclusive working discount link for my audience, and you'll find it in the description and the pinned comment below. The discount is already applied through that special link, so there's no need to enter any coupon code manually. One quick heads up. This is a limited promotional offer through my partner link. Once the current allocation or promotion ends, new users may only see the regular pricing. So if you're already planning to try PPSPY, I'd recommend checking the link sooner rather than later. So, is PPSPY worth it? If you're serious about Shopify, dropshipping, or e-commerce and want to spend less time guessing and more time making data-driven decisions, then yes, it's definitely a tool worth looking at. You'll find my exclusive working discount link in the description and the pinned comment below. If the promotion is still active when you're watching this, you can grab the discounted price before the offer changes or reaches its limit. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.